Before the gates officially open. Before the pathways fill with visitors. There is a brief moment when Jurassic Kingdom belongs only to the wind, the birds, and the giants waiting among the trees. Today, I'd like to share that moment with you.
Welcome to the Jurassic Kingdom. This is the event we bring from UK, have a global tour. This is the second time we're coming to Canada. Yeah, we try to bring the event coming to Canada to show all the kids and the family who love the nature and the dinosaurs, Jurassic Kingdom. This is a combination of the outdoor museum. It's a long time kids spend in school in the classroom, and the family stay in the home, stuck with the long time of the winter. So now it's summer coming. It's nice sunshine, green land and grass. So we have time, bring the whole family coming here, have a picnic, have a nice day out in the naturally environment with the dinosaurs. We can celebrate the summer. So you follow the route, you have a trail. In the 40 minutes, you can see different 55 or nearly 60 different dinosaurs. You can enjoy it, science, they move it, and they can make a noise. You can feel in that. Probably you live in few million years ago, you're living with the dinosaurs together.
A cinematic walk through a world long forgotten. There are places that invite us to look. And there are places that invite us to imagine. Today, we step into a landscape where imagination and prehistory quietly meet. Welcome to Jurassic Kingdom. With every step along these winding trails, the modern world seems to drift a little farther away. Tall trees sway gently overhead. Wildflowers brighten the edges of the path. Summer sunlight filters through the leaves. And around every corner, another ancient giant patiently waits to be discovered. There is no single route through this prehistoric world. No beginning. And no end. Only curiosity. Some dinosaurs stand proudly beside the trail, impossible to miss. Others remain partially hidden among tall grasses and dense shrubs, almost as though nature has been reclaiming them for millions of years. The farther we walk, the more carefully we begin to look. It's easy to admire their enormous size. But the closer we get, the more remarkable the details become. The texture of ancient skin, powerful claws shaped for survival, rows of formidable teeth, eyes that seem almost ready to awaken. Every sculpture has its own character, its own silent presence.
4 bases?
It's 4 pieces, sorry, 4 pieces.
Dinosaurs ruled our planet for more than 160 million years. An almost unimaginable span of time. Although they disappeared millions of years before humans appeared, they continue to capture our imagination unlike any other creatures in Earth's history. Perhaps it's their incredible size. Perhaps it's the mystery. Or perhaps they simply remind us how extraordinary our planet has always been.
I know.
Walking through Jurassic Kingdom isn't about rushing from one exhibit to another. It's about slowing down. Looking beyond the obvious. Discovering dinosaurs tucked between the trees. Watching sunlight dance across weathered scales. And appreciating how beautifully this exhibition blends with the natural surroundings. The landscape itself becomes part of the experience. Towering evergreens, open meadows, quiet pathways, colorful summer flowers. Together, they create the feeling of wandering through a forgotten world. Every visitor will notice something different. Some will be drawn to the mighty predators. Others will admire the gentle giants. Children often discover dinosaurs long before the adults do, pointing excitedly toward a hidden tail, or a massive head peeking through the bushes. There is something wonderfully satisfying about finding each new prehistoric resident waiting just beyond the next bend. During my visit, the exhibition was still being prepared for its official opening. Many of the animatronic dinosaurs had not yet begun moving. Yet somehow, that didn't lessen the experience. Instead, it invited me to appreciate their remarkable craftsmanship. The sculpted muscles, the carefully painted scales, the expressions frozen in time. Sometimes, stillness allows us to notice details that movement might easily hide. As the walk continues, the dinosaurs become part of the landscape itself. They no longer feel like exhibits placed inside a park. Instead, the park begins to feel like it belongs to them. Ancient giants resting quietly among today's forests, separated by millions of years, yet sharing the same sunlight, the same breeze, the same sky. Perhaps that's the real magic of Jurassic Kingdom. Not simply seeing dinosaurs, but imagining a world where they never completely disappeared. Where every path leads to another discovery. Where every distant silhouette invites another photograph. Another memory. Another moment of wonder. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful walk through Jurassic Kingdom. If you enjoyed this journey, I hope you'll continue exploring with NewCaCom as we discover more remarkable places across Toronto, Canada, and beyond. Until next time, keep exploring, because every path has a story waiting to be found.
不会呀，所以不行，这可不行，走。